So you can see that these brackets are pretty well centered on the 2x4. Top side is maybe down a little more than the bottom side. And you just screw those in there. And then you attach it to an upright. This is just for demonstration. There's an ample number of screws came with this. And the screws are I'm not sure, they're I'd say 1 3/4 inches. And then it just goes through that. Straighten it out. There you have it. I guess I can get this top one a little tighter. There we go. And there's a makeshift rail and post. I believe I've got it upside down. I'm not sure. But you can see that side up. Or the other way around. It's a real quick way to assemble rails and posts. Now this is really old lumber that I've used for demonstration today. But you get the idea, and it comes with I believe 20 of these, so you can really put together some railings and uprights. And of course you could use 3x3s or 4x4s for your uprights. So you've got the 2 end-on holes and then the 4 holes for your posts. They're made of nylon, which is, as we know, is really tough. Thanks for watching the video.